Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Porsche Cayenne. Porsche Cayenne guys, generation from 2002 all the way until 2010. This is the first generation. If your front right window doesn't go up or down guys, we'll show you which fuse to check. Now of course it could be something else, it could be a bad window motor, it could be a bad switch, and we'll have all those videos on our channel, so please subscribe guys. All the electrical videos will be found here, and the mechanical videos guys could be found on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Please give a thumb up and subscribe to those as well. Our goal guys to save you as much money as we can. So if your front right window, okay, this window does not go up or down, just stuck, we'll show you guys which fuse you need to check. Right here now, okay, when you open the door, you have one cover. Okay, you can see this cover. And this cover guys needs to come out because we have fuses. We'll get plastic panel removal tool like that and remove that cover. Perfect. Now we have 5 clips that are holding in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. 5 clips, so remove those. We need to find fuse number 34. Looking from the right side, this is the 4th fuse guys. Okay, 4th fuse on the 3rd row. So this is the 3rd row. Okay, you can see 2 fuses. Okay, 1 fuse is missing already. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That 25 amp fuse guys, this is the fuse. Okay, this is the fuse that we need to replace. So we'll get a new one. You can check out guys in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a really good price. All the tools and parts that we use are listed in our video descriptions for your convenience guys. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, turn the key on and see if that is going to take care of the problem now. Okay, let's see if it goes up and down. Yep, no problem as you can see. So that definitely fixes it guys. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.